Give your relationship a push in the right direction. Dr. Laura Berman, relationship educator and therapist, is joining us this morning with tips to jumpstart your relationship emotionally and physically in 2015. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so a lot of people are interested in, it's a new year, new time, renewing things. A lot of people are interested in relationships. So how do we get that jumpstart?
Well, it's both mind and body, really. So you were talking earlier in the show today about physical fitness.
And that's a big push at the beginning of the year.
Right, a big push, but it's so important for your sex life, too, and your relationships. That good intimacy and a healthy body means a healthy sex life. So it's all about the blood flow. So exercise not only increases testosterone, which is that hormone of desire that both men and women need.
Yes.
It gives you those feel-good endorphins. Work out together. Pay attention to your nutrition and your diet. If not to get fit, to have a better life in the bedroom and beyond.
There's so many benefits to this exercise thing.
Right. And, one of the reason I'm in Baltimore is actually because of a local company, Viramax, who makes supplements. People overlook supplements as a resource, and these folks, Viramax, makes supplements for sexual health. So they're ingredients that really promote blood flow in the body. So they're good for your health, they're good for your body, and they're good in the bedroom.
So that's the body angle of it. Let's talk about the emotional connection, because that's where a lot of people need to focus some of their attention, getting that emotional connection with their partner.
And your main sexual organ is your brain, right? So that's the most important thing. There are key relationship resolutions that you can make in the new year, and some of those are going to be personal to you. So really sit down by yourself, maybe sit down with your partner, and think about maybe 3 or 4 things that you'd like to commit to over the next year to really reinvest, maybe invest for the first time in your relationship. But simple things you can do. If you just try this for 2 weeks, I promise you will see a difference. The first is to give your partner 5 genuine expressions of appreciation a day, even for the things they're supposed to do. Maybe he's the one that always takes out the trash. But saying to him, honey, thank you so much for taking out the trash. It's freezing cold outside. I'm so thankful I don't have to do it. Or I so appreciate how much you help the kids with the homework. The other is to commit to not only a weekly date night, which you always hear about, right? And that should not be going to a movie or going out with friends. It can just be a couple of hours, by yourself with no technology. But if you can take a vacation alone, and I make a distinction between a family trip and a vacation, because family trips are not a vacation.
No,
right?
There's a lot of work in that.
So if you can take a vacation once a year with your partner, that actually does more for your emotional and physical intimacy than a weekly date night does.
Because you remember, hey, before we had kids, it was me and you, and we need to get that back. The weekly date nights, I know a lot of people say that, but I know that gets hard if you start, it's life. Life happens.
Right, life happens, and that's the important thing is that you have, listen, I have 3 kids. I understand this. You have kids, you have a busy life, you have work, but your relationship has to be your main priority. More important in some ways than the kids, because what your kids need is to have their parents, you're the foundation. They have to have you strong and together. So instead of taking them to that extra after-school activity or that one more barbecue you planned for the weekend, invest in your relationship, and that is what your kids need more than anything else.
All right, there you go. That's the way to jumpstart your relationship in the new year. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks,
we appreciate it.